Want to clear the Waze cache and remove temporary files that may be taking up space? In this video, I'll show you how to clear Waze cache step by step. First, open your phone settings app. Then tap Apps or App Management, depending on your device. Find Waze in the list of installed apps and tap it. Next, select Storage or Storage and Cache. Look for the Clear Cache option and tap it. This removes temporary Waze files without deleting the app itself. Be careful not to tap Clear Storage or Clear Data unless you want to reset the app, because those options can remove stored app information and settings. After clearing the cache, open Waze again and check if the app is running properly. If you're experiencing slow performance or temporary problems, clearing the cache may help. And that's how to clear Waze cache in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.